Assalamualaikum. It's been a while since I do the vlogging, vlog. Just want to cover a bit here and there. It's been a couple of weeks where, there's a lot of things that is going on, especially in the world of social media, where people are, doing stuff like things that are controversial, especially when you want to get viewership. I don't know whether I'm the most prominent person to talk about this, but I think that as a neutral party in this TikTok or Instagram, or I think myself as a neutral person. I might not be that good, I might not be the best person, but I think the controversial part, doing controversial stuff in social media has to stop. To get hooked, to be clout, and to do things that are out of the ordinary, to pin each other down, just to gain popularity. And I think at a very age of mine right now, I've seen so many things that is happening, especially in the world of social media. I'm new to TikTok, and I really love the engagement that TikTok has made me doing this thing. The engagement, new friends, old friends, young, old, my age, younger, 20, 23, because I'm more of a fitness focus on my social media. Not a real social media influencer for fitness, but I just want to promote healthy living, healthy lifestyle and stuff like that. So, benda-benda yang kontroversi, like macam gaduh kat dalam TikTok, gaduh kat dalam social media, has been a fad. That means people loving it. As a viewer, as an outsider, and people are, dia ni gaduh dengan dia ni, this guy has been fighting with this guy has been creating controversy with this guy has been, I don't find it healthy for us, especially in the Malay Muslim community. Bila kau, when you look at other community, I don't want to mention names, they are all very healthy, and when they banter each other at a very healthy punya rate. They even do things together. Why our community don't have this? Why? That's a very broad question. Tak kira lah, doesn't matter. You are doing food review, you are doing paranormal, you are doing night walking, you are doing exercising. Exercising so far tak ada. And I hope it won't start, because it's something that I love. But why cannot we integrate or incorporate with each other on our platform, or on our speciality? Like example, if you are doing a night walk, combine together, do a content, yada, disseminate on your platform, each and individual platform, same content, boom. Don't have to be, kau tengok, you look, my platform is better than yours. Don't. Each individual is different. Each viewers that is following is different. Each person that is supporting is different. Bikin je lah, bikin. The theory is get together. Have that kampung spirit. That's the thing. Kampung spirit. Do things that you love together. Why you can't? Itu yang masalahnya. Itu yang the problem that I see now. Oh, dia ni promote barang dia ni. Dia ni promote barang dia ni. Siapa yang lagi bagus? Siapa yang lagi terror? Siapa yang lagi bijak? Siapa yang lagi... Don't need all of this negativity, guys. I think it has to stop. Even for food review, people who do food review, especially people who love to do food review. Sedap tak sedap? They are doing the review on their own, and some of them are not even paid review. They do out of the love of doing food review. Korang tak boleh kutuk dia, Syed. Take it with a pinch of salt. Dia ni nak jatuhkan aku punya business, dia ni. It's for you to improve. It's for you to improve. Whatever ingredient that you are putting, it's for you to improve. Tekak masing-masing lain-lain, berbeza. And for the food reviewer yang review and say that the food doesn't have this, doesn't have that, you guys need to understand that they cook for the masses, not for the individual. And you know, at this moment of time, barang pun bukan murah. They have to get the cheapest ingredient. But they are doing the best food or the best effort that the stall owner buat. And for people who are in the live selling, bila orang komen merepek-merepek, the nonsensical punya komen, marah, maki. You do this, hati nak kena kering. You must have a very strong heart. You must have a very strong brain, a strong mindset. Whether you can do this live selling with live people are watching you, what kind of macam mana kau nak berbual dengan orang balik? What is your unique selling point? What is your USP? Why people love to watch you? Why? I can be a good doing live. I can be good talking to people. But once I do live selling, maybe I fucked up. Maybe it could be that. I don't know. I can. You look at some of the content creators that do live selling. I don't want to mention name here. Anything they touch turn to gold. Why? Because their heart is very strong. Their mind, their mindset is to make money. To make money. They ignore all this negative comment, negative thoughts of people towards him or her. For me, it's a very long post, about 9 minutes, 10 minutes. For me, guys, do things that you love, even though it's for fun. Do it with pride. Do not pin others down. Do it with love. Do it with love. That's the most important thing. If you know that, dia ni bagus lah, aku kalau boleh nak combine dengan dia. Do it. Do it. You wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. It could be Boomtown Charlie. You wouldn't know. Dia ni bagus lah, aku nak try lah. Alamak, aku takut lah dia ni sombong lah. Aku takut dia ni tak nak reply aku. Aku takut dia ni. You wouldn't know. He or she may say, yeah, let's go, let's do it. It will be good. It will be a good content if we do it together. And last but not least, stop the fighting bullshit lah. Stop. So sad to see, So sad to see. Grown fucking adults tau. Adult gaduh kat dalam social media. Malu. That is all I have to say. Thank you so much. God bless. And I talk to you guys soon. Ciao.